to be doing a little experiment. I did this string pull a couple weeks ago and I'm not happy with it. So what I'm going to do is try to do a string pull over this, but my base is going to be Floetrol. It's going to be my flood coat over this. It's going to dry clear, so hopefully this will come through. My setup is over here. I'm going to be using yarn, and the colors I'm using are hot pink Artist Loft, light green Creative Inspirations, quinacridone Creative Inspirations, and Artist Loft white. So, well, let's hope it turns out. So I usually cut my string, about double of what the canvas is, so I have room to manipulate it, but let's see how this goes. It's actually a bit too long. Fix that. A little bit more pink in here. And my paints are mixed with 75% Floetrol and 25% glue all. They're all pre-mixed. Okay, I think that's long enough. I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay, I have a wet rag here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the yarn wet with my fingers here. Use a different finger for every color. While that's sitting, soaking up, go ahead and get the Floetrol on the canvas. I don't want to have a whole lot on there, just enough for this to be able to move around. Got what fingers what. This one. Pink. All right. Let's wipe that off. Okay, so this bottle has Floetrol. So I guess you could do this over a flip cup also, if it works out. And let's see, wait till everything dries to see if it does work. I'm not going to worry about the sides. Top. I think we're good. I'm gonna lay it down just for a second, just to get a lot of the excess off. And let's see what happens here. Go around a couple times. It's okay that I don't have any down here, because I'm going to put some leaves down here. let it sit for a minute. I'm doing this sideways because I can't film long ways. Okay, I'm gonna go down here, pull. Too much Floetrol. Don't have a whole lot of room to pull on this side. Get it all torched. Make sure nothing had bubbles in it. There's no silicone in any of the paints, and there was not any silicone in the first string pull that I did. I'm curious to see how that's going to look when it dries with the background also. Some good cells. Here's some cells. I'm going to do a few little leaves here. Okay, never done this separately, so I'm curious how this is going to look. Your opinion on putting leaves on here. Maybe you can comment down below and let me know. Leaves or no leaves. Could have tried different colors of green. Anyway, I think that's it. So as soon as this dries, I'll get a picture of it, put it on here. Anyway, if you like this video, I'm going to bring it down anyway. Let you see what the whole thing looks like. In fact, I'll bring it up to you a little bit. Hard to see the background right now, but there it is. And hope you enjoyed the video. You can like and comment and subscribe. Be back with you for the finished after it dries. Yeah, the finished product turned out really good. It looks, you can see the background really nice. I don't like the leaf color that I picked, so I'll probably end up changing that to a lighter color where it's a little more muted. But other than that, I like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.